Okay, come on, go down for the camera. Don't be shy. Oh, okay. Oh, no, you went up again.
Wait till it stays under.
Okay, you got it. Come on. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Yes. My first ever. What fish is this?
This is a perch.
It's a perch. Yeah. Yeah, let's have a close up on the perch. Oh yeah. How great is that? Thank you, Omar.
Welcome.
Yeah. Oh, beautiful fish. So that's one of the fish called a perch. Okay, thanks to Omar here. Let's start from the beginning. So here I am, Changi Airport. I'm gonna make my way to a special fishing destination. The first thing I did was to get some British fish and chips. Yes.
Do you want some vinegar?
Yes.
Yes, please.
I even went to Her Majesty's Theatre to catch the Phantom of the Opera. Of course, I had to visit all the famous sites in London first.
So this is London Bridge, and there is Tower Bridge dating to 1894. 11,000 tons of you know where it is, the 11th century White Tower.
Okay, so here's a close-up look at what I'll be using. I'll be using a small Shimano Sienna, alright, 2005, and a telescopic rod, also by Shimano. See, those are the lakes. I'm gonna fish in the lakes. Let's go down the country road. Ready to catch some fish?
Yep.
That's our little angler of the day. Okay.
Okay, so we have here Swim Dim F1. It's sweet.
Okay, so we're
Fish
using
like the sweetness.
yeah.
And it's dynamite.
Dynamite,
So
okay.
let's see what happens.
So we're using dynamite feeding, and see the ducks are coming instead.
The duck's gonna get blown up.
Oh yeah, okay, just blow. Yeah,
That's what it looks like.
yeah. Okay, like fish food. Okay.
I'm gonna try not knock the birds out.
Yasmin wants to throw. Yeah, you
wanna
can
throw?
throw some.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know how far.
Okay,
I can go.
go nearer. Go nearer.
Stand here, don't fall in.
Yeah.
Try not.
Okay, go, Yasmin.
Great.
Oh yeah, that looks good. See, the ducks are all. Looks like we're just feeding ducks. Oh no! Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I've plumbed the bottom. Looks like it's like about a meter deep. Okay, I use a float and a simple Apollo at the bottom. No weight at first. Just try some of the bait that looks like little green peas. Okay, have a look at this. Wasn't prepared for that. Wanna sell?
I'm good.
Okay. And so this is how I hook the little thing in a little hook. Oh, it's like stuck. I'll just leave it there. Take another one. Durable hookers. Oh, it's like, okay, like a little pea. Yeah. Oh, screaming. Okay. This is how we hook it. You just hook it through. Okay. And wish me luck.
Good luck.
Good luck.
Okay. And let Yasmin catch a fish.
Huh?
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's throw it out to the middle. Come, Yasmin.
Okay.
Go.
Hold it.
How do I do it?
Okay, just hold it. See the hook start to move a little. Alright. Throw some okay.
Let's stop.
Throw some dynamite there. Keep an eye on it in case it disappears under the water. We were pretty hopeful at the start. In the end, we had to wait quite a long time for our first bite. So how long have we been waiting?
2 days.
2 days. 2 days and see our float still there, and the swan is still here.
Always wrong.
I just lost a bite. But, just a good bite too. Big Mac. Okay. How long have you been here?
3 days.
3 days. Look, a little angler. Are you tired? We're still waiting for a fish. Any fish.
Fish and chips.
Yay, that's big.
Oh, it's quite big, eh? Can you just hold the rod? Apparently I have to hold the fish. Oh! What's this fish? Oh! Looks like a fish.
It is.
Yeah, it's quite big, eh? Get some photos. Yes, we did it! So this is my first English fish, nicely hooked on a pellet. Dynamite. First native. For Bream. Not sure what this is, but we'll let it go. Here we go.
Yay, you caught a fish.
Woo! Got a fish! On!
Yay!
Mission accomplished. There we go.
Yay, you caught a fish.
Got a fish. On!
Yay!
Mission accomplished. A young man fishing nearby saw us struggling and he came to help. This is Omar and he's helping me out. Okay. Oh, so the tip should just be out.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Okay, I'm gonna get one more split shot and we'll be good to go. And then I'll add your hook, get some maggots, get some ground bait.
Whoa. So Omar has been fishing like a pro for how many years?
3 I think.
3 years.
Yeah.
Okay.
We learn quite a lot in this country.
And what's the size of this hook?
18.
18.
Very, very small.
Oh, so small.
It's like
Yeah, so small.
this big, yeah.
That's the tiniest hook I've seen, man. Oh, actually.
And these are maggots.
Look at this wriggly
They're
guys.
disgusting.
Yeah. And you just put them on the hook and they wriggle and
Then you get some of this, which is ground bait. You just use some ground bait which you can buy in the shop, and you put some water, and you try and get it into a like
like
consistency, and then you can just break up if you need to.
Oh,
So you get like a handful.
right. Okay, just like
And then
that.
you'll see bubbles come up, and that means it's fish.
Oh. Wow, that's cool. Okay, come on, go down for the camera. Don't be shy. Oh, that.
You get
Oh,
bites, you get
okay. Oh, no, you went up
Wait for it.
again.
Wait till it stays
Yeah.
under.
Yeah.
Then if it goes under and goes up, then don't pull out.
Okay. You got it. Come on. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, 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 yes. My first ever. What fish is this?
This is a perch.
It's a perch.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, let's have a close up on the perch.
And first fish.
Oh, yeah. How great is that? Thank you, Omar.
Welcome.
Yeah. So that's one of the fish we call a perch. Okay, thanks to Omar here who helped me get the tiny hook and the tiny bait, and we'll release the fish. Yeah. So just throw it.
Yeah.
What fish do you think?
My first perch. Okay, so now we're going for fish number two.
Yes,
Oh, it's another perch
yeah.
again. We're on a roll now. Okay. So now looks like, yeah, this is really the method. I've been fishing the whole morning and like caught one bream. And now, once Omar came to help, we're in perch heaven. Okay. Be gentle with these fish because we want them to grow big.
We got one.
Ons. Okay, so I've got put some maggots on. We've ground baited the area, and yep, there the float is. Coarse fishing in UK. Okay, oh, and there's under. Oh. Let's see if there's anything nearby. That was my third one. Oh, there it goes. Oh. I started to get a little ambitious, so now I'm targeting the roach. Let's try for a roach. Yeah, that'll be different.
What you do, this is a thing.
Yeah.
If you give me the what happens?
Okay.
Perch are close to the bank, which is here.
Okay.
And here. If you want to get roach,
Yeah, further out.
they're further out. Yeah.
Ah.
You just
Okay.
cast out.
All right.
If you put your reel in and just reel in a bit, and then
Ah, so the roach are like further out.
Yeah. and then when it goes down, it means you've got a roach or a massive perch.
Okay. So yeah, this is a roach. Come in for a closer look. Oh, native species. Okay. Little bars of silver. Nice, beautiful fish. Look at the eyes. Yeah. And that completes our trio. We got a bream, some perch, finally our first roach. Let's let it go. Ooh. Oh, look at this beauty. That's a roach. Come, let's have a close-up of the roach. Okay, native to the UK. Okay, these roach are clearly identifiable by their little red fins and silver body and little scales. Nice, nice. Come, let's let it go. So you gotta handle the fish gently. Don't squeeze too tight. And the hook just slips out because it's barbless. There we go. On. So this is Omar.
Hello.
Yep. He's been of great help helping me find some fish in the UK. Right? So we've got some roach, perch, and a bream. Okay? And plenty of thanks to him. Yep.
Welcome.
Okay, so here we are about to go back after a good day of fishing. Many native fish, roach, perch, bream. So what do we say, guys? Ons. Let's go. Thanks for watching. On the next episode, I will try to catch some pike, rainbow trout, and maybe even a British mackerel. Let's see if I succeed. Okay, so enjoy some of my food pictures from London. And there's no queue here.